The Big 8 Food Allergies and Sensitivities. Do you know the difference between a food allergy and a food sensitivity? A true food allergy causes an immune system reaction that affects numerous organs in the body. It can cause a range of symptoms and in some cases can be severe or even life-threatening. Food sensitivity symptoms are generally less serious and often are limited to digestive problems. There are plenty of myths surrounding food allergies. Here's a few common ones. Myth number 1. Eating a little bit won't hurt. False. Even a trace of food allergen can trigger a severe reaction. Myth number 2. A food allergy always develops in childhood. False. You can develop a food allergy at any age, even to a food that you've safely eaten before. Myth number 3. Peanut is the most dangerous food allergy. False. No single food allergy poses a greater risk than another. Let's examine the Big 8 food allergies and sensitivities. Milk. Milk and milk products such as ice cream, butter, cheese, sour cream, and even yogurt can be a trigger. Eggs. Eggs, powdered eggs, eggnog, and even mayonnaise can lead to allergic reactions. Wheat. Wheat includes everything from flour products, cereals, and pasta to breadcrumbs and bran. Some unexpected sources of wheat are salad dressing, marinara sauce, and soups. Peanuts. Besides avoiding peanuts, watch out for peanuts in baked goods, peanut oil, and peanut butter. Tree nuts. There's a long list of nuts to avoid ranging from almonds, cashews, and pecans to pistachios and hazelnuts. Shellfish. This includes shrimp, crab, lobster, prawns, and crawfish. Fish. We've already mentioned shellfish, but bass, trout, and red snapper can trigger symptoms. Watch out for fish oil, fish stock, deep-fried items, caviar, and even Caesar salads or pizza toppings that use anchovies. Soy. Soy is common in Asian cuisine and includes edamame, tofu, and soy milk. So what's the best way to grocery shop for food-sensitive family members? Read food labels. The Food and Drug Administration requires that food labels clearly list the food source names of any ingredients that are one of the Big 8 allergens or contain any protein derived from a major food allergen. The name of the food source must appear in parentheses following the name of the ingredient. For example, lecithin, soy, flour, wheat, and whey, milk. Also, look at the label's list of ingredients to find a contains statement. For example, it will read, contains wheat, milk, and soy. Be aware that ingredients can change without notice, so check the label every time you shop. Don't assume that the food product you've used for years is still safe. In fact, read the label 2 or 3 times just to be safe. Be especially aware if the packaging says new or improved. Maybe the ingredients changed and the product now contains a food allergen. Be aware of unexpected sources of allergens. For example, if you see rennet casein on a food label, that could trigger a milk allergy. Vitolin could trigger an egg allergy. You may never have heard of freeka, but it can trigger a wheat allergy or sensitivity. So become a savvy shopper. Memorize the Big 8 allergens and read those labels. Your food-sensitive family members will thank you, and your stress levels might just decrease when preparing meals.